goes to Masechet Nida. Masechet Nida, page 13b, says there's certain commandments in the Torah. There's rules, good, not good. And they talk about wasting seed. Wasting seed is not allowed. What's the proof? Eren Onan, Yehuda and Tamar. Says, yeah, what else is a proof? So Gemara Masechet Nida, page 13b says, Rabbi Ishmael says, oh, what notina? You don't even need. Maybe he changed Matan Torah. Maybe it wasn't allowed back then at the time of Yehuda and Tamar. But then, once we got Torah at Mount Sinai, a few hundred years later, maybe it changed. So Rabbi Ishmael says, what changed? Not only it didn't change, it became worse. It's part of the 10 Commandments. What 10 Commandments? You see, don't idols, keep Shabbat, Hashem is the only one, don't kill. What are you talking about? What do you see? Don't waste seed. Where's there 11 Commandments? He says, no. Rabbi Ishmael says in the Gemara, Lo tinaf. Lo tinaf, the average person will say, wait a minute, Lo tinaf means don't commit adultery, don't be promiscuous. So Rabbi Ishmael says, no. See, Chachamim, they don't learn Torah like regular people. If something is mentioned more than once in the Torah, there has to be a reason. Because Hashem did not even waste a dot. Everything is there for a reason. He says, look, the first time it says Lo tinaf, don't commit adultery, is in Sefer Shmot, chapter 23, in book of Exodus, chapter 23, verse 13. Second time it mentions Lo tinaf, when it talks about the sin, the punishment of adultery, is in Leviticus, chapter 20, verse 10. Because what's the difference between those two lines? He says the first time it says, don't be promiscuous. Second time it says, don't be promiscuous with somebody else's wife. So how come the first time it says Lo tinaf without the wife? Second time Lo tinaf with the wife. So Rabbi Ishmael says in the Gemara, from here we learn that the first time it says Lo tinaf in the 10 Commandments is referring Lo tinaf ba'atzmecha. Don't be promiscuous with yourself, with your hand or even with your leg. You want to warm your body up with your leg and so on and so forth. First time it's referring to by yourself. Second time it's with other people. From here we see that wasting seed is even in the 10 Commandments. So when people see this, they start waking up. They realize, okay, I have to fix it because I'm not even keeping the 10 Commandments. So that's another story. That's another thing that we learned from Yehuda and Tamar.